Good day, ma'am. So today, I will going to tackle the language policies and programs of Canada in relation to education.
So the objectives at the end of this lesson, you will be able to first discuss what is Canada and explain how Canada Official Language Act applies to education, and identify the official language policy and language programs of Canada in the field of education. And last, analyze how these language policy and programs supports minority language instruction, second, language acquisition in classroom, and carrying out of language policies and initiatives in the field of education. So now, let's explore the language policies and language programs of Canada. Canada is a country in North America that extends from the Atlantic Ocean in the east to the Pacific Ocean in the west, and Arctic Ocean to the north. Canada borders the United States. Canada geography is mostly plains with mountains in the west. Language policy is comprised of a body of theory, principles, laws, programs, and measures designed to manage one or more language in a country. In monolingual societies, language policy is usually concerned with promoting and approve standardized grammar of the common language. In bilingual or multilingual societies, it is intended to manage situations in which two or more languages are in contact and or conflict, and to enhance the use of status of certain languages over others. Language policy in Canada has been designed to manage historical relationships among multiple languages, notably French, English, and indigenous languages, and their various communities. While it has evolved over time, Canadian language policy has not always been marked by positive or just measures. The official languages of Canada, English and French, are the official languages of Canada and have equally of the status and equal rights and privileges as their use in all institutions of the Parliament and the Government of Canada. Canada official language policy is primarily based on the Official Languages Act, first enacted in 1969 and significantly updated in 1988 and again in 2023. Canada language policy significantly impacts on education, aiming to ensure the vitality of both English and French and to support the integration of newcomers. So now, let's proceed to the language policy in relation to education. So first is the official bilingualism and educations. The Official Languages Act in 1969 and updated in 1988 establishes English and French as the official languages, influencing educational practices within federal institutions, and supporting minority language education through funding to provinces and territories. While education is primarily a provincial responsibility, the federal government plays a role in promoting bilingualism through financial incentives and programs. Next is the Minority Language Education Rights. Section 23 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms in 1982 guarantees the right of linguistic minority communities, English-speaking in Quebec and French-speaking elsewhere, to have their children educated in their minority language. This right applies where there are sufficient numbers of children to warrant publicly funded minority language education. Eligibility criteria are based on the parents' first language, their own education received in the minority language in Canada, or if another child in the family has received or receiving such education. The last language policy in relation to education is second language learning. Provinces and territories support the learning of the second official language, French and English Canada and English in Quebec, through various programs within their education system. These include Core French, basic instruction, extended French, more instructional time in French, and French immersion, significant portion of curriculum taught in French. So now, let's proceed to the language programs in relation to education. Canada offers a diverse range of language programs within its education system to cater to various needs. These include accredited private language schools and college university programs for English and French as second languages, as highlighted with the Languages Canada and Edu Canada.